guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. It has been forever since I have even been in my craft room, let alone the last time I filmed anything was, feels like weeks ago, and it was weeks ago. It was before Christmas. Yeah, so this is a bit of a life update and a bit of happy mail that is long overdue. First, I'll give you the little update. So I had posted on YouTube and then in my Facebook group as well that my family was hit by COVID over Christmas. Pretty much all of us had it in some form or another. Some of us were sicker than others. Some of us are, still sort of dealing with the after effects. Everybody's fine. It's just been kind of, we've just been not well. Let's just put it that way. It was not the way I wanted to start off 2021. But it is what it is. So I'm sort of, just sort of coming to terms with that. So I am still, I'm fine. I don't really have, I haven't had a fever for a few days. I haven't, I think I'm on the other side of it. But I'm incredibly exhausted and weak. And I have asthma, so I'm winded very, very easily. And I can't do a whole lot at one time, without taking a break and, kind of sitting down and doing nothing, which is not typically, how I operate. Even when I'm not feeling well, I usually push myself, to do something, and I haven't been able to do that. So, it's definitely been a struggle, but I am on the other side of it. So I'm hoping that I can slowly kind of get back into making videos and crafting in general. I haven't done anything crafty since before Christmas, and it's killing me. So anyway, let's get to the happy mail. Enough of that, but I wanted to thank everyone who's been praying and sending me messages and all of that. That's been wonderful. And it's nice. I don't like to complain, but I wanted to let everybody know where I've been and what's been going on. And then, you'll understand when I'm not around as much, here for the next couple weeks, maybe. But I'm trying. I had such grand plans for the new year, and they've kind of, I'm kind of having to rethink how I want to do things, now. So it's all good. All right. So this lovely happy mail came from my friend Tomi at Ephemera Files by Tomi. And I've had it since, I want to say it was I think it was before Christmas, but it could have been, I've lost all track of time. Anyway, I didn't open it at all. All I did was take the lid off, and I read the lovely letter that she sent. I haven't done anything because I wanted to film it, and I haven't been up to, feeling up to filming. So, anyway, so I want to thank you so much, Tomi. First of all, the box is adorable. It's llamas. So yeah, I love it so much. And it has this awesome, burlappy fabric cover. So, and it's, look at on the inside, it's so pretty. I don't know if did you make, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe she made this. Maybe not. I don't know. Let me know, Tomi. I love it though. It's so cute. Anyway, so it says, congratulations. You are my autumn 2020 random recipient of a blessing box. I hope you enjoy the goodies chosen especially for you. Thank you for sharing your talents, your openness and honesty, and for all of your inspiration. And it says, you are llamazing. I can't even say. Yep. So super awesome. So yeah, I'm just going to get right into it here. And this tissue paper is so pretty. I did kind of look under here. So This one, I love this tissue paper. It's so cute. Look at that. So yeah, I'm just gonna open. So I hope you guys have all been having, oh, that's so cute, a better start to your new year than I have. I hope you're all doing well, and oh, that is so cute. And yeah, like I said, I love this tissue paper. I'm definitely holding on to that. Yeah, I hope y'all had a good holiday. We actually did have an amazing Christmas, and then everything just kind of fell apart after. It was just a couple days after Christmas, and yeah, everything just sort of went off the rails. Oh my gosh. Look, they're little tiny sticky notes, and they're llamas and yarn. So cool. Oh, I love those. I feel like I have my, this is pretty as well. I feel like I have my camera probably in a very awkward, I sort of had to redo some things in here, and now I feel like maybe I moved it the wrong way. It feels really weird to be filming. I will say that. It's just been so long. Oh my gosh. Is that a, gosh, that is so cute. Oh, and you squeeze it to retract it. I love that so much. Yarn rules. I'm a former crocheter, so I still have quite a love for yarn and all things yarn related. So yeah, I mean, how stinking cute is that? That's gonna sit right on my desk, and that will be my little tape measure. Oh, I love it. This is so fun, Tommy. Thank you so much. All right, I'm so sorry that it took, oh, this one says open me last. I'm sorry it took me so long to get around to filming and opening this, but, oh my gosh. It's llama dies. Oh my gosh, I love these. It's a llama and a baby llama. Those are so cute. Oh my gosh. I mean, if you've been watching me for any amount of time, you know my sort of crazy obsession with llamas and alpacas. Yeah. All right, what do we have here? Oh, this is gorgeous tissue paper. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is so perfect. You don't even know how perfect that is. I have, yeah, my mask that my lovely friend Dee Dee made for me is starting to wear out finally. I don't go out very often, but you know, it's the only one that I've had. And yeah, I needed a new one, and this one has llamas on it. I love this. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. So if I haven't left the house since the 27th of December, but now I have a mask, so when I do go out again, I have a mask to wear. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. That is just perfect. Oh, all right. Oh, you've got the most pretty tissue paper. What do we have here? Yay! Oh my gosh, look at these. These are pins. How cute. And some adhesive gems. Oh, that's so cute. He's winking. And oh, it's a patch. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Oh, that tissue paper is falling on the floor. All right. What do we got here? Oh, this is so exciting. It's like Christmas again. Oh, look, it's ribbon. Ah, I'm trying not to scream. Oh, yay, and more llama washi tape. I used up the roll that Lori gave me. So this is perfect. Yay. I love it. I had no idea that, no, I did. I mean, I do. My obsession is not I'm not the only one. There are llamas everywhere, but I don't think I've seen any of this. So, except the washi tape. So that's awesome. All right. And then I have this awesome box that I can use to store stuff in. I've been trying to think about reorganizing. Oh my gosh. Yay, llama stickers. Oh, those are so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, what do we have here? There's more llama stickers. That one says Cupid is stupid. Oh, those are so cute. Llama before bros. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at those. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, those are just gorgeous. And then it's a little llama notebook. Oh, yay. Maybe I can use this for writing down ideas and such. I needed a new little space for that. That's so cool. All right. So here is the last one. It's in here. Oh, look at that. Look at that face. Oh my gosh. It is so soft. That is adorable. I took down my Christmas tree. My husband got sick before I did, a day before, and he never ever gets sick ever. So when he came down with it, I was like, well, that's it. I need to do as much as humanly possible, as quickly as possible, so that I don't have a bunch of stuff, you know, undone, and then I'm sitting around sick. Well, I managed to get all of my Christmas decorations down, and then I got sick the next day. So my Christmas tree is already down, but this isn't going on the Christmas tree anyway, because this guy's too cute to lock up for the year. He's gonna hang or sit in my craft room so I can see him all the time. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. All right. So yeah, just super quick, because that's about all the time I can handle talking at one time right now. So I don't want to start gasping for air while I'm talking to you guys. But Tomi, thank you so much. I love every single bit of this. This was so kind of you and so thoughtful, and you tailored it to fit what I love, and I love that. So thank you so much. Again, I'm so sorry that it took me so long to get this filmed, and yeah, I apologize. I don't usually do that when I get Happy Mail. I usually bust it right open, but I really wanted to film it, and I wanted it to be, you know, I wanted to actually open it while I was filming it. So thank you so much. And yeah, I will be back soon. I can't guarantee when. My husband is actually going back to work finally tomorrow. So, you know, I'm going to have the dogs. And like I said, I'm still very tired and very weak. And, you know, I get out of breath fairly easily. So I'm not sure, you know, when I will be back, but be patient with me, please. And I appreciate you guys hanging around and waiting for me. I do have some things planned. I have some exciting things to share with you. It's just going to be maybe a bit slow going for a couple weeks here. But yeah, all right, guys, I'm going to let you be. I've hit 15 minutes now. And I will talk to you soon. I hope that you are healthy and safe and enjoying 2021. And I will be back soon. All right, guys. Yeah, take care. Bye.